UNLV on September 15th. Boise State is expected to come on Thanksgiving weekend, and Hawaii ends the season against Washington. We have a schedule change for the Hawaii Bowl. This year it will be played on Sunday, December 23rd, instead of the normal Christmas Eve date. The 2007 game also matches up a WAC team and a Conference USA team. Again, the Warriors get the automatic bid if they can win at least 7 games. The Hawaii Bowl has the option to bring back a Pac-10 team in 2008. Last year, the Rainbow Ahia softball team hit a single-season record 42 home runs. This year, Hawaii may just top that. Tonight, Hawaii did some major yard work. Hawaii hosting Pacific for the Spring Fling Tournament. Game started off with a bang, 3 on and 1 out in the first. Brandy Peeler is going to clear the bases with a grand slam. Ted Wahine and Tolo got a chance to bat in the first inning alone. More of where that came from. Tanisha Milka's turn in the third. Goodbye. The 2-run shot is the Kailua Grad's 5th homer of the year. But remember, this out-of-the-park party got started by Peeler, and at the bottom of the 5th, the Kamehameha Grad finishes it with another bomb. Peeler with 2 for 4, driving in 5 runs. The Wahine beat the Tigers 8-6.